Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech innovations. Today, we are exploring the brand new iQOO Z10 Turbo, a smartphone that combines powerful performance, stunning visuals, and long-lasting battery life in one sleek package. With its 6.82-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 50MP dual camera system, and a massive 6500 mAh battery, this phone promises to deliver flagship-level features at an unbeatable price. Let's dive into the details. The iQOO Z10 Turbo features a 6.82-inch AMOLED display designed to provide an immersive viewing experience. With vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a 120Hz refresh rate, this display is perfect for everything from gaming to streaming. Whether you're browsing, watching videos, or playing high frame rate games, the full HD Plus resolution ensures crisp and sharp visuals. The display also supports HDR10, enhancing contrast and color accuracy for an even better viewing experience. With Corning Gorilla Glass protection, the iQOO Z10 Turbo screen is both durable and scratch-resistant, making it ideal for everyday use. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor powers the iQOO Z10 Turbo, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. Built on a 4nm architecture, it's designed to handle demanding tasks like high-end gaming, video editing, and multitasking with ease. With Adreno's advanced GPU, the phone delivers smooth graphics performance, making it ideal for gamers who want to enjoy their favorite titles without lag. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, app launches and data transfers are lightning fast. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, the iQOO Z10 Turbo delivers an experience that's hard to beat. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is equipped with a 50MP dual camera system that offers excellent photography and videography capabilities. Here is a closer look. 50MP primary camera captures stunning photos with exceptional detail and clarity, even in low light. Advanced AI processing ensures your shots are always optimized. 12MP depth sensor, perfect for portrait photography. This sensor creates natural bokeh effects and enhances subject separation. The camera system also supports 4K video recording, allowing you to capture cinematic footage with excellent stabilization. Features like AI Super Night Mode, Portrait Enhancer, and Pro Mode give you the tools to unleash your creativity. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera ensures clear and vibrant selfies, perfect for social media and video calls. It also supports AI beauty modes and HDR for better results in various lighting conditions. The iQOO Z10 Turbo houses a 6500 mAh battery, making it one of the largest in its class. With this massive capacity, you can easily get through to full days of moderate usage on a single charge. 100W fast charging. Charge from 0% to 100% in just 35 minutes, minimizing downtime. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, the iQOO Z10 Turbo's battery won't let you down. The iQOO Z10 Turbo runs iQOO UI, based on the latest Android 15. Known for its clean interface and optimized performance, iQOO UI offers customizable themes, personalize your phone with dynamic wallpapers, always-on displays, and theme options. Enhanced multitasking. Enjoy features like split-screen mode, floating windows, and app pinning for improved productivity. The iQOO Z10 Turbo boasts a sleek design with a glass back and metal frame, giving it a premium feel. Available in Cosmic Black, Aurora Blue, and Stellar White, it offers style options to suit every personality. With a thickness of just 8.9 millimeters, the device feels surprisingly slim, considering its massive battery. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the IP54 rating provides resistance against dust and light splashes. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is packed with modern connectivity features, 5G ready. Enjoy ultra-fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloads. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is expected to be priced competitively in the mid-range flagship segment, offering exceptional value for its features. Pre-orders will open soon, with availability in major global markets shortly after launch. The iQOO Z10 Turbo proves that you don't need to break the bank for flagship-level performance. From its vibrant AMOLED display and powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor to its massive battery and AI-enhanced camera system, this phone is built to impress. If you're looking for a smartphone that delivers cutting-edge features without compromising on design or durability, the iQOO Z10 Turbo should be at the top of your list. Thank you for tuning into Techsplorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech. What's your favorite feature of the iQOO Z10 Turbo? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.